In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sold-out products on Shopify. If you've been managing a Shopify store, you know that product availability affects customer experience significantly. Imagine browsing through your favorite online store only to find so many sold-out labels. It's not the most thrilling shopping experience, is it? Thankfully, Shopify provides a simple way to manage this. And today, we're going to walk through the process of hiding those sold-out products, making your store look clean and organized. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the home page of your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a panel full of different tabs. Go ahead and click on Products. This is your gateway into managing everything that you sell. After clicking on Products, you should see a comprehensive list of everything in your inventory. Here, you can keep track of what's in stock and, most importantly for today, what's sold out. Now, our goal is to hide those sold out items, which are unnecessary clutter for your customers. As you go through your product list, you will notice little checkboxes next to each item. These are your selection tools. For all the products that are sold out, simply check the boxes next to them. It's really that straightforward. Once you've selected all the sold out products you wish to hide, look to the top of the list. You'll see a row of action icons. One of these icons is composed of 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, select Art Unlist Products. By doing this, you effectively hide those sold-out items from all of your active sales channels, which means potential customers won't see items they can't purchase. Now, here's an important step that sometimes gets overlooked. Always remember to click the Save button after making these changes. This ensures your modifications get applied and take effect across your store. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden those sold-out products, streamlining the shopping experience for your customers. Once you've done this, managing stock and customer experience becomes that much smoother. It's a small action that can have a quite positive impact on the perception of your store. Not only does it make browsing easier for your customers, but it also helps maintain a professional appearance. Keep in mind that this can be part of regular store maintenance, especially if your inventory frequently changes. Knowing how to quickly and efficiently manage what products are visible could save you plenty of time and keep things running smoothly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your Shopify store.